Yes. We must become the angry Flappy Birds. The Flappy Birds. All I can think is, if this works, I think I know what I'm titling this. What, all three of us rampage? Okay. Okay. Okay, let's strike fear into this Mortem. Let's teach it the meaning to fear the birds. Hey, who knows? This might work with him be- Oh, no. Yay, that works. Yeah. We're good. Yes, fear after Jesus, we are going to die. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh. Oh, okay. Predatory peck, so be... I can't do that, I can't say 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 that, I cannot say that! No, I was gonna say, so what, we basically be a bunch of... I still can't say it. No, I'm recording. I'm recording it, it's gonna go up on YouTube! Yes! Yes, Freddy! And all I can think is, oh my fuck. Wait, who? Tasty. Oh my... just crabsicles. Oh my god. All I can think is, no, cheese, don't stick it in there. That's the wrong thing to stick it into. Her house is good at sticking her beak where it doesn't belong. Maybe. It looks like you're choosing to go happy slappy. Oh, start a next turn. Moo? Scream! But no, scream hard. Like Cheese said, you want to do more damage? Scream harder. It's funny how I remember that from that video. There's a chance you're gonna be dead. Never mind. Wait, I forgot. He used his shield move, not his I'm gonna be annoying move. I think somebody had a little too much Santa Jack coffee. What? You So we scream? Yeah. Let's just scream at him, Freddy. I can't scream. 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 I can't scream.
That's fine. As long as you let me. Oh, okay. Come on. This is fine. They'll target you, Freddy. That's totally fine. Let him target me. I'm dead. I'm the hospital victim. He's distracted twice. They were talking about him. The dog's fails. Still certain that's where he'll live. Once he can't get rid of him. Like I said, I'm the hospital victim. Let's go for me.
Giggity?
I think I did easily remove that thing, so it hurts mine. I just legitimately didn't hear that. He's reached out.
No! Wait a minute. Wrong bird noise. I forgot. Birds don't meow.
Are we gonna survive here, or are we all fucked? No. He's distracted from feeling strong last night, so he's 100% distracted. Plus, it should work in Zombie anyways, which is not bad. So, even if somebody does that damage, it's not going to be enough to kill. The zombie has a 100% long jump. Okay, good.
Now imagine if Fearless Flap. Now imagine if Fearless Flap actually healed Host in the process. Yes. Helicopter! Whoa! You're not in the same alliance as us, buddy. Bonk. Yeah. Good God, this is shaping. I'm sorry, but this is actually shaping up to be more fun than I thought. And to think this started off as, at first I thought this was a joke. Yep. Yeah, but Freddy gets final say. Bye! And yeah, I just realized once again I forgot to... All I can think is I forgot to do my intro yet again. Oh, I'm well, all I can say is in this regards, guys, I am super sorry that I didn't get the intro in, but this has been Dragon Fang King. I'll catch you all in the next video. Stay safe, have fun, and remain prehistoric. Bye-bye. Ooh, look, 32 T-Rex DNA.